Say hi.
Hi.
She is more English. She more speaking in English.
I speak Arabic. Only.
I speak only Arabic. If you guys hear a bit of a background as a fan, we have to put it on. It's too hot. We can't film without it, so excuse the noise. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, guys, I hate them. I'm currently in Egypt. If you haven't already seen my last vlog, make sure to check it out. But yeah, I'm here on holiday. I'm staying with my family at the moment, and yeah, today we're going to be doing trying Egyptian snacks. Oh yes, thank you. Can't see shit. We're going to be doing trying Egyptian snacks. We went and we bought loads and loads of snacks, and we also got drinks too. Yeah, so we're just going to be trying them out. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up,
Like and subscribe.
Don't forget to like and subscribe, and do not forget to check out my last vlog of how I got here. The whole vlog was like 4 minutes, but in reality it took like way longer. Okay, we're gonna get started. First we need to do thumbnails, so we will be right back. We're just putting the drinks in the fridge so that they don't go. هي ثلاجة.
اسمها ثلاجة.
ثلاجة.
وشك يا اختي.
أقول لك إيه يا بنت اسكتي بقى. So the first thing that we're going to be trying is this. This is called forno. 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 Forno عيش. Anyways, so this is kind of like, it basically is baked. The UK crisps, the Walker's baked crisps. This is the flavour salt and vinegar.
ها.
1 out of 10 Marcine, 5 out of 10 Marcine, 5 out of 10, 4. Basically, this has pepper in it, like pepper. It's sort of vinegar flavour, but it also has like specks of pepper in it. I can't really zoom because it also focuses off, but the pepper is putting me off. Like, it's nice, it has a little bit of spice to it, but I wanted salt and vinegar. I'll give it a 6 out of 10. Next, we're not going to spend too much time on everything because we have a lot to get through. So this is called Tiger. It's flavour chili and lemon.
تعزميني يا اختي.
Oh my gosh, that's why she hasn't tasted this stuff before. 1 out of 10, 2 out of 10.
ما قصير. 9.
7. 7, 9. 7. Not all that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. It's nice. It does have a chili flavour to it, and it does have lemon flavour to it. It's like kind of tangy. Not tangy, what the hell? It's sour. It's nice. I like it. Wait. This one was very lemony, and I like that. 8 out of 10. Doritos, we have the tangy cheese flavour, except this flavour is cheese and spices flavour. The princesa.
I am queen. مش مستنية عزومة. هاكل كده.
It doesn't really say what kind of spices there is in here. It tastes very cheesy to me. I give this a 7 out of 10.
Me too.
Okay, next crisp is forno again, but in the flavour. What flavour is this? Cheese and onion.
Cheese. فرنسا.
She's Franca. MashaAllah.
Paris.
Paris. Cheese from Paris. Actually, at first it tastes a bit like sour milk.
أول مرة أجربه.
Yeah.
جديدة.
This is her first time trying it as well. Oh, it's a new flavour. It's nice. It's better than the other one. It's better than that pepper one. Kiko look for onion, no?
It's from France.
Oh wow. stop. An 8 out of 10. We'll munch on that later. We bought normal Miranda orange. Basically, I had this the other day and it's... Huh? Okay. I bought this the other day and it tastes so much better than the one we have in England. I don't know why, but I love it. And we also bought Rani Float. It's a pineapple flavoured drink. They're both fizzy. This tastes so nice. It's got that, you know, that fake orangey, like lollipop orange flavour. I love that. Swap. And that's really, really. Oh, it has bits of pineapple in it.
No comment.
No comment. This is not fizzy. I thought it was fizzy. It's just normal pineapple juice with pineapple bits. Yeah, I'll give this like 10 out of 10, definitely. One more crisp left. Also salt and vinegar flavoured. This is called قل ومل. قل ومل. وملح. قل ومحل. قل وملح. قل وملح. صح؟
قل وملح.
قل وملح. صح.
خل عارفة يعني ايه خل؟
Yeah, oh, salt and
يعني
vinegar.
خل
Vinegar. This is salt and vinegar flavoured. This is from the brand Shepsi. More like it.
بعمل.
She's spitting it out. Samuel, say hi. I give this a 9 out of 10. I really like it. Yeah. Okay, you want to try this next? Okay. This is called Mimo jelly. Ma'anena.
Lemon.
These are like gummy sweets. They have like bits of sugar around them. They're my least favourite. I'll do it a 5 out of 10. Why? Yeah, he likes it. Now we're eating Super Dream. This is a strawberry Swiss roll. This is what it looks like. It just looks like a Swiss roll. You can have the first bite.
Mercy.
That's nice. It is really sweet though. Let's see if this is the first time. Okay, so I give that Swiss roll a 9 out of 10. It was really nice. It was really, really nice.
I'm 10.
9. 10, you give it 10. It's like up or down, don't you know?
انت كل حاجة.
كل حاجة. شوكولاتة. This is called Ho. It's like a chocolate flavored Swiss roll. A little bit. It's really, really sweet. Like a sweet smooth. There's no chocolate in it. It's really sweet. And you can taste the egg in it. I'll give that 4 out of 10. 4. We've got the same thing, but it's strawberry and cream flavour. It's better than the chocolate one. Yeah, I'll give that 6 out of 10. It's much better than the chocolate one. Okay, who wants us to try this next? This is from Egypt Foods. It's called Choco Shots. They're just like Skittles, but it's not Skittles, M&M's. It's like M&M's. It says chocolate candies. Smarties. I like Smarties. That's what it is. Yeah. I don't put Smarties. But this has a more milky flavour, which I like. So I give like a 2 out of 10. Don't really like Smarties. Excuse all the noises in the background. There's like garages and place that they fix cars and stuff like everywhere. So let's have all the noise you can hear. So all the noise you can hear is that. Okay. So who wants us to try this?
بس مرة واحدة بس.
These are choco fingers. These are called choco fingers. Hello. 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 How are you? How are you? Sister. How are you? How are you? What's your name? Come on. He's so shy, bless him. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Wow. Thank you. This is what you do. Oh, these are like chocolate fingers actually. And if you break it, yeah, there's like biscuit inside it. Nah, don't really care for this either. Nah. Actually, it tastes way nicer than the one in Britain. Way nicer. This one tastes way nicer. It has more like a vanilla-y. It has like a vanilla-y, milky taste. The one in London just tastes like cardboard. I give that 6 out of 10. Nothing has gone 10 out of 10 so far, except for this baby. 4. Okay, next I want to try. I love wafers. Anything wafer. This is called lambada. Lambada. They're basically like chocolate wafers. I was really excited for this, but this is more me trying it, and she's just eating it with me. She already knows what most of these things taste like. So yeah, I give that 5 out of 10. This is the next one. It's called Ibisky. These are like fake Oreos. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 things left to try. I'll give that a 3 out of 10. 6. This is next. This is called Happy Cupcake. It's like a strawberry cupcake. This is Lula's favorite, right?
My best friend.
It's your best friend. Her. Your best friend's favorite.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, I think there's something inside it. Let me. Oh yeah, there's like strawberry inside it. From what I tasted, I'll give it like a 4 out of 10. 10 out of 10. This is called Boreo. It's fake Oreo, basically. And it's not strawberry flavored or anything, it's just the same as the other one that we tried. I feel too sick, I don't want to eat that. So we also bought chewing gum. Chewing gum. These are called Trident, like the Trident one that we had. And I got the peppermint flavour. Oh, I thought it was blueberry. This is peppermint flavour, and this is watermelon flavour.
Watermelon.
Watermelon! I want to try the watermelon flavour one. Oh, it smells so good. Mmm. I like this. Now I'm going to try the strawberry flavour. Oh my god. I like this one more. I'll give that strawberry one a 10 out of 10. I really like that. That is the end of this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it.
So bye.
I hope you guys enjoyed watching me eat. Overall, I really do like Egyptian snacks. Like overall, I'd give it all like a 7 out of 10. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you want to see other videos like this. I want to do one like where I try like food, not snacks. So let me know if you guys would want me to do that. Thank you to Lula.
Welcome, my lady.
For being in this video with me. Yeah, that is it from us. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.